Good day, beauty queens. Welcome back to my channel. I have a December favorites for you guys. I apologize for being late and just a little bit MIA. Not too much though. I'm back sooner than I was the last time that I was absent. So this is gonna be beauty like kind of skincare, and it's gonna be fashion stuff as well. The only thing that I don't have in this video is my coat. But it may be a picture of it, or I might just put a shot of it in the end. It's a beautiful long cream coat that I've absolutely been loving. But let's start out with the skincare and body stuff. The first thing is the Studio Selection Cocoa Divine Body Oil Gel. This is amazing. I have dry skin. Everyone that follows me knows this. And it's extra dry in the winter time. So this is just like a sticky gel texture, but it's oily. It smells amazing. It works good with layering with your fragrances, and I just love it. You can mix it with your lotion, but it tends to be pretty good just by itself, y'all. I love this stuff so much. I got it from, you can get it at Dollar General, Target, Walmart. This is the smaller size. This is the 6.8 fluid ounces. They do have a bigger size, and I think that size, excuse me guys, y'all gonna see me doing this, because this shirt that I have on, which is actually in my fashion favorites too, it's one of them. It's just kind of, it's kind of cardigan vibes, but I kind of make it a shirt vibe. So I got it open, and so I'm trying to just keep the collar laying a certain way. So excuse me, you're gonna see me messing with my collar and trying to make sure it's the way I want it to look. And I'm looking, you know, in my camera, and I can see that it's flipping and stuff. But yeah, so this you can get pretty much anywhere. And this size was like about $3 and something. The bigger size, I think it's like $6 or $7. But either way, it works good. Love it. Next is this amazing fragrance from K. Alley called Juicy Apple. Y'all, every time I wear this, I get compliments. I'm not even joking. Like, every time I wear this, it just smells really good. It's just this really, it smells just like apples and candy. It smells like a candy apple. So this really is a good name for it, because sometimes they don't name things right. I forgot to bring the case down that it goes in so I could read the notes. But when I link it below, you can click on it and it'll have all the notes in it. It's just a very juicy, sweet fragrance. It's really girly, but not in a juvenile, kind of like little kiddish way. You just smell really yummy and sweet when you wear this. It smells absolutely amazing. So yeah, I got this from Sephora. This is the largest size, I think. No, is it? No, it's not. I think this says it's 1.7 fluid ounces. I think they got a 3.4 fluid ounce. And if you could see, I'm like halfway done with it already. It smells amazing. I'm trying to conserve it because I don't need to get any more fragrances of any kind until like springtime. So I'm kind of trying to make everything stretch that I have. Since we're on fragrances, I want to talk about this Victoria's Secret spray. I've talked about this before, along with this. Well, not along with it as in together, but when I'm not wearing that, like I've been wearing this a lot, I buy them in pretty large amounts because they're only like $15. So I buy about 3 or 4 at a time of this one in the Dream. I've spoken of this before, I think in a fall favorites. Yeah, so if you guys haven't checked these like little travel size mist out, they really last long, and the more you layer them with other things, they last even longer. So these are like the most highly used fragrances I've been using and loving. Nextly is this makeup mist. And as you can see, this is dead. I probably got like 1 spray in this, and it's really because I've been dual using it for my ends, which you can't tell today. And I should have disclaimed and gave y'all apologize for the way I look. I look a little crazy today. That's because it's the end of the day and I'm shooting this, and I really wanted to shoot this kind of in the prime of my day. But it's better that I'm doing it at all. So this is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray from believe this is from Charlotte Tilbury. Yep. Uh, Charlotte Tilbury. Amazing. I'm gonna get the bigger size. This is the smaller size. This is, I think, is the 1.1 fluid ounce. I love this stuff though. This is next to my Avon mist that I raved about like last spring, I think it was, and obviously my MAC finish and setting spray as well. This is amazing. It does have a fragrance to it. It smells like baby powder a little bit. Yeah, it has like this baby powder smell to it, but it doesn't sting my face, or, well, I don't have acne issues or anything like that, but it doesn't like sting, burn, or anything like that. It just has like a fragrance. So that is some getting used to, because I don't really have fragrance sprays on my face unless it's the coconut MAC setting spray, then it would be that. But other than that, my sprays don't really have scents like that. The Avon one kind of has like this little herbal rose kind of natural organic smell. But this smells like baby powder. You know, I'm just going to keep it real. But it doesn't smell bad, and it goes away, and the product is amazing. Okay, we want to jump into these lippies and lippy sticks. I'm dropping stuff, whatever. Since I dropped the top off of that and it rolled somewhere and I don't know. Oh, here it is. This is the lippy sticks and the lippies from the ColourPop Bratz collection. I did a review on this. I'll put it below so you guys can check it out if you would like to. So pretty much all of the kits I've been using. I have Cool Cat, and I'm not gonna swatch. You can go look at that video. I have Bunny Boo, which is like this nice rose mauve nude. Cool Cat is like a burgundy nude, a brown muted burgundy nude, and then Angel is like a brownish brown stick. I've been loving the liners. I've been using them all over my lips by themselves and pairing them with just different ones of these. This particular one is called Bunny Boo, and it's just like this pretty pink rose color. And these are glossy. I have been gravitating towards glossy lips this year, because normally in the fall and winter I don't, but I have, and I've been loving it. And this next one is called, I think, Cool Cat 2. Yeah, Cool Cat is just like this pretty mauve rose burgundy. It's like a rose burgundy, not straight up burgundy. And then Angel is like this true brown, like brown with like copper undertones to it. So there's swatches of these in that video, so y'all can go check them out. But I've organically, because they're not paying me and I'm not getting paid for this, have been loving those a lot. And then the last lippy, and I probably will swatch this one, is a pink pearl lip gloss, and I got this at Forever 21. But this thing is bomb. It looks like a glitter explosion on your lip, but in the good way. It's just this pretty pink gloss with iridescent glitters in it. It's so pretty. So I've been topping this. I don't really wear it by itself. I'll wear it on top of other lips or other things. I've topped it with a couple of these, and I've wore it with like some of my brown staple lipsticks to just kind of like bring them out a little bit more. So yeah, those are the lippies. I'm gonna jump into the fashion stuff, and so that will be the sweater that I have on now, even though I'm kind of messing with it. Typically in an everyday basis, I don't mess with it that much. I will let it fall over, like I'm just gonna let it do now. But I was trying to go for this like look, and it's just not cooperating with me. But I do love this. It has these pretty cubic zirconia clips in it, typically that you would find in your earrings. So obviously they're not real diamonds, but it's giving like this nice diva diamond type look about it. And I got this from a boutique in the Perimeter Mall out here in Georgia. And then I've been loving this one. This one is same. These are sweaters, but they're just more embellished, and they really have good material. They're not cheap. And they're nice. They're not too heavy, but they have a nice weight about them. And then this one has pearls all over the front, and it doesn't have pearls on the back. This one's the same way. It does not have the rhinestones in the back. It's just in the front. I kind of wish it was all over, because I do feel like that look will look a lot better, but I do like it. This is different. Obviously, it has the buttons down, so this is more cardigan vibes. You can wear this on top of stuff, but obviously I'm wearing it by itself. But this one is more like a true sweater, and then the bottom, it has nothing on it either. But I've been loving these. These are warm, and they're just really girly and extra, but you're still warm. It's still practical for you. The next thing are my recent boots. Y'all know I'm like the boot queen. This was a Christmas gift to me. These are suede and sparkle, kind of like combat style boots, but in more of like a diva-ish played up way. They have the lacing or the strings or the ties, and then it's gold embellishment, and then they have glitter at the top of the boot and a glitter heel. I've gotten compliments on these when I wear these too a lot. The only thing I don't like about them is it is sweaty and they can get dirty really fast. I've had to like clean them a couple times. But these babies are so cute. They are so beautiful. Not even cute. They're just really ladylike. Casual. They don't hurt your feet. Like, don't let the heel fool you. It's really comfortable. If you're a heel girl, you know what I'm talking about. It doesn't bother you at all. They have buckles on the side. I really like these a lot, and I've been wearing them. I can wear these every day. I walk around a mall all day or walk around anywhere all day in these because they're just that comfortable. And then lastly is my purse. I have a couple purses, but this is the one I've been using and loving the most. It's genuine leather. It's this cranberry burgundy. It's not like a burgundy, like a brown burgundy or like a red burgundy. It's like this cranberry plum, like a plum burgundy. It's zipper in the back. This is really vintage. I don't know anybody with a purse like this. Vintage vibes. It zips here, and then you have a middle zipper and two compartments and another zipper in the back. Love this purse. It's not by a name that anybody would know. I believe the brand is like an Italian guy, because the card is in the bag, I think. Let me see if I can pull the card out. But I believe the designer is an Italian designer. Yeah, here it is. Roche, and it's in California. And they have authentic leather bags, and this is genuine authentic leather. You can feel it and you can smell it. The strap too as well. So this is very hefty, and I love this bag. And I've gotten compliments on this bag too. This is just like a classic vintage bag. Like, you're not gonna find this anywhere else. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I apologize for the collar swinging and flinging I've been doing. I did not pray, so I'm going to go ahead on and pray over my video. You guys know I pray over my content. Dear God, I'm coming to you today. I ask you to forgive me of any trespasses, any sins, anything that I've thought, said, or heard, conscious and unconscious. I ask you right now to bless this posting, to bless my channel. I put the blood over my content, over my channel. And I thank you, and I give gratitude and praise to you for allowing me to still be going and to still have the inspiration to continue with my channel. Reverse any word curses, reverse anything that may be said over the content, or any eyes that may be viewing in bad tent and not positive intent. And I thank you and I praise you. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. Thanks you guys for watching. Social medias are below as usual. I'll talk to you guys later and check you out later. See you in my next video.